Theta Network holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Theta Network, guys. What's going on in the Theta Network? What surprise changes occurs in the Theta Network? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe ABS Tech channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now, because on this channel you found a latest update about crypto. Anyways, guys, in this video we discuss Theta Network. You know what, unfortunately today in the last day, you know what, a lot of coin in a right now situation is going positive. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba, a lot of coin is going positive, but Theta Network is still negative. So what's the reason behind that? And guys, remember, you know what, I found Theta Network from last 5 months that they are going in the loss. From 10 to 11 USD dollars, the price of Theta Network falls to 5 to 6 USD dollars. So it is really a huge loss. So first of all, I recommend for all old holders, for all long-term holders, that guys never decide to sell before 2021, because already Theta Network is very badly dumped in the market, and absolutely they takes time to again recover 10-11 USD dollar. So that's why I'm telling you that you have to hold for long time. Otherwise, if you decide to sell on this price, so you lose your money and invest. That's why I recommend it's time to hold, guys. And for those people who want to buy Theta Network, so remember, guys, it's a really a golden opportunity for all of you, because you know what, a 10 USD dollar coin is, and the currently price is 5 to 6 USD dollar. So buy now. That is the cheapest price. And you know what, Theta Network have to recover this price. Maybe it takes before 2021. I recommend, I predicated that Theta Network price will be about to 10, 11, 12 USD dollar and this summer, guys. So just hold, never decide to sell, guys. Forget it for a long time. Thanks for watching, guys. What you recommend, what's your opinion about Theta Network? Also share in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.